Did you dig that hole?
Won't retrieve a duck, but by God, he can point a bag of dill pickle chips.
Bad dog.
What did you do? Really?
Who did?
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
Who did this?
Rocky, why you look scared? That's why he's scared.
Bang! Oh my god. I'm about to beat the fuck out of you.
Dude, if he fucking jumped, oh my. What the fuck are you doing? What did you do?